Maestro provides a way of storing multiple snapshots of a project called scenes. Everything about the current state of the workspace, such as the representation, contacts being made, measurements, are saved within a scene. To create a new scene, go to the Workspace menu, select Scenes, then select New, and click New in the Manage Scenes panel. Or you can click the New Scene button in the Workspace toolbar, as shown. You can choose to give the scene a description, choose what entries the scene contains, and then click OK. Continue on to create several new scenes, as shown. Scenes can be managed from the Manage Scenes panel. Go to the Workspace menu, select Scenes, and then select Manage. To display a scene, click in the View column in the Scenes table of the Manage Scenes panel. The Scenes toolbar is displayed below the workspace. This toolbar is a handy visual indication that you are working in a scene and not the parent project. To create a presentation from a set of scenes, click Export Presentation in the Manage Scenes panel. The presentation is then stored as a project that contains only the scenes. When you open a new scene presentation, use the Scenes toolbar to quickly step between scenes by using the arrow buttons.